Hey guys, so we're going to be installing rear parking sensors on a Honda Civic Mark 8. So yeah, we'll update you as we go, and yeah, so let me show you what it looks like now, and then I'll also show you what it looks like at the end. So flip out the round camera, you can see as it looks like now. Let's focus. So yeah, it looks like this now, so I'll update you when we've done. This is the control box, and there's the actual sensors itself, and then there's the buzzer. So yeah, 23 centimeters apart, and then as you see the second ones on either side, they're 46 centimeters apart. So well, from the middle. Guys, we're gonna drill the areas. So let me show you the drill bit. So this came particularly with the sensor, so it came as a pack. So yeah, we're gonna start drilling now. So we're gonna drill the areas that we marked. There you go, first one down. So that should be a perfect hole for the sensor to go in. You can remove the masking tape. Yeah, so guys, that should be like the should be perfect size for the sensors and that. So yeah, move on to the next one. Second one down, first one on the sides, and the third one down, it's the final one. Final one. Quite helpful that it comes with the pack, because it gives like perfect hole. This is the sensor. So they're all labeled A, B, C, D, so you don't get confused. So A starts on the left, which you're gonna push through. You can see the sensor does go in quite easily, so you might need a quite push. As you can see, it didn't take long at all. It was just quite quick. I'm gonna install all the sensors the same exact way, so it's not that complicated. You can see, I'll show you when I've done. Installed all the sensors, and yeah, so you can see, go around, see the first one. So next step is feeding the wires through, and then plugging them in via the control box. Guys, we feeded 2 of the wires out so far, and then we moved on to the next one. I'll show you when we walk up them, and then plug them in. So we've installed all of the sensors apart from the end one, which we struggled to feed the wire out, but we've used this cable to push it through. So yeah, this one we're just gonna sort it out and should be able to get it through. Figured out a way to put the wires back inside the car so we can connect it to the control box. We're gonna remove the spare wheel so we can get to it. We've removed the spare tire, And then we also removed the cover as well. We hung it up there, and then removed this cover as well, it's covering this bit. You can put the control box around here somewhere and put the wires. We fed the wires through, and we've also found a grommet, so that'll just stop water and stuff getting through. So we've made a hole in it, put the wires through, and next we're gonna put the control box. So hide it behind there, behind that panel. So yeah, we're putting the other end of the multimeter on earth, so we're going to check the reading. So it's around 11, it should be around 11 to 12 volts. Guys, we've connected all the wires up, so now we're just going to do a quick test by putting it in reverse. So you could hear the beeping of the parking sensor. So it's all plugged in, you can hear it beeping. And as you get closer to it, you can hear it get louder. So, like, show it around here. You can hear it beeping as I get proper close. Whereas if I stand more back, basically like how pocket sensors work. Now we're just gonna put everything back together, and yeah, completed it. We've installed all 4 sensors. It was all tidied up. So we're going to test out the parking sensors now by reversing the car. You'll hear it beep as we get closer to the thing, the like objects. So it seems like they're working pretty good. They're doing the job. As we get closer to the garage, there you go. So it intensifies as it goes up. But yeah, so that's it.